What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to enter BIOS on a Lenovo laptop. So first, simply shut down your laptop completely. Then simply turn it back on and immediately start pressing the F2 key repeatedly. So on some Lenovo models, you might need to press F1 or the Novo button instead, which is a small pinhole button usually near the power button. So if your laptop has a Novo button, simply press it with a paper clip while the laptop is off. And once you do that, you then have to select BIOS setup from the menu that appears. And once you're in the BIOS, you can then change the boot order, enable virtualization, or simply tweak other hardware settings. So once you're done, simply make sure to save changes and exit. And that's it. So you'll then be able to access the BIOS on your Lenovo laptop. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.